What turns women on? For many men, the reasons a woman might want to have sex are a mystery all in itself. They spend hours surfing the internet, looking for reasons why a woman's sex drive might be doing them the good service of running hot, or if she'll have a low libido the next time they meet. The truth is, besides a few lifestyle factors that may come into play, there isn't a whole lot to seducing a woman and getting her excited. Scientifically speaking, women are just as easy to turn on as men, and the different reasons that women find themselves excited about having sex with someone aren't that different from a man's. So what makes a woman horny? Here are a few tips on how to turn a woman on. Number 1. Having a sense of excitement. Women love to have adventures and feel excited by new experiences. They want a man who can show them a world of excitement and passion, not someone who's going to bore them with mundane routines every day. By leading an exciting life filled with fun activities, your woman will find you more alluring and become more attracted to you. You'll definitely stand out from the other guys she meets, who are stuck in a mundane routine and lack the spark of passion. Number 2. Use the right tone of voice. Women respond better to men who sound like they are smiling, using a warm yet amusing tone of voice. When you talk, smile and laugh as if you were having fun with your woman rather than talking at her. A good way to test this is to say something you'd normally say without smiling, and then try saying it with a smile. You'll notice a difference in responses with the latter. Number 3. Having an air of mystery. A man can appear more attractive by having a bit of mystery about him. This means he won't always reveal everything there is to know about him, and may even keep some things private. Having a bit of mystery will make your woman curious to learn more about you and find out what's beyond the surface. This behavior will increase her feelings of attraction for you. How she feels about you is based on the emotions she experiences when interacting with you. When you make your girl feel attractive, joyous and happy in your presence, she'll associate these feelings with you. If there are no feelings of attraction present during an interaction with a man, she will lose interest in him. This is because women are naturally drawn to men who can make them feel attractive and aroused. If you want your relationship to work, then you need to make your girl feel attracted to you. If she feels more emotionally connected with you during interactions, it will be easier for her to fall in love. When a woman can reveal her true self around a man, she'll form an intimate connection with him and become attached. Number 4. Smelling good. Many men do not realize that the way a man smells can have a direct effect on a woman's chemistry, and therefore her mood. This is why a man needs to take care of his personal hygiene if he wants to attract women. It is also important that a man doesn't use too much aftershave. A woman may be put off by a man who smells like he's taken a bath in cologne. This makes her think he's trying too hard to impress her. Number 5. Listening carefully. Women love it when a man cares about their feelings and what goes on in their lives. By being interested in what she has to say, a man will be seen as more attractive to her. She'll feel special that you're taking time out of your busy day just to listen to her talk. It's also important to remember what she says and talks about, as this shows that you're listening carefully. If your woman feels like you don't listen to her, she'll most likely feel unattractive and undervalued around you. Number 6. Not trying too hard. Many men do not realize that when a woman can sense a man trying too hard to impress her, she'll lose interest in him. This is because it makes him appear unsure of himself and desperate. Instead, a man should be himself around a woman and look confident when he's with her. By not trying too hard and appearing at ease with his own company, a man will appear more attractive to a woman. If you want to provoke a girl's interest, you need to avoid coming across as desperate or needy. If she can sense that you're trying too hard to impress her, it will make her think of you as boring and uninteresting. Number 7. Not taking yourself too seriously. It can be a turn-off for women when men take themselves and life too seriously. She needs to see that you're able to have fun with her and enjoy life, by making jokes as well as having a playful sense of humor. Being around such a man will put her more at ease, and make her feel comfortable around you. Many men make the mistake of always being too serious when talking to a woman. They think that women only want to be with someone who is expressionless, and knows how to have a serious conversation. However, it's important to show her your playful side as well. By not taking life too seriously all the time, you'll make your girl feel an emotional connection which will make her more attracted to you. Number 8. Make her laugh. Always try to lighten up the mood and the conversation by injecting humor into it. Girls want someone who knows how to have fun and make others laugh. Being funny accomplishes 3 things. First, it takes a clever person to crack quick and witty jokes, and women love chatting with guys they find intelligent. Second, a guy who understands how to be funny is a guy who knows how to see the positive things in life, and not dwell on the negative. Last but not least, being with a guy who has a great sense of humor ensures that there's never a lame moment with you. Awkward silences come when neither of you know what to talk about. However, silence is never awkward, if you've already been having a good time laughing. Use humor when trying to turn women on, and you'll see how it works wonders for you. Number 9. Make eye contact. Not only does making good eye contact show that you're interested in what she has to say, but it also makes women feel more comfortable around you. If you look away every time a woman asks you a question or tries to get your attention, she might think that you don't have any interest in her. But when you make strong eye contact, she'll see that you're confident and interested in what she has to say. Number 10. Try and throw her off center. While speaking and telling someone how you feel about them and what you want to do is important, it's also a good idea to spice things up. Try using the element of surprise when speaking, and you will leave a woman wanting more. Try something offbeat and unexpected instead of saying the same lame gestures that she's always used to. She will appreciate not having to hear those typical pickup lines or personal history, provided every other person that has thought about talking to her. By surprising someone with your words and actions, you'll make them think about you more, and be much more likely to take action themselves. Number 11. Being a challenge. Women are most turned on by men who appear to be in control of the situation. A man can appear to have control of a woman by not taking her seriously and challenging her. As this will also make it harder for his girl to manipulate him, he will appear more attractive to her. This is why many women say they like men to take charge. Women instinctively know that a man who appears to have control is more of a challenge, and therefore more attractive. Number 12. Being unpredictable. A woman must never know what a man is thinking or what he'll do next. If she can predict what you're going to say or do, she'll lose interest and see you as boring and predictable. By being unpredictable and challenging her responses, a man will intrigue his woman and stimulate her emotions. When a woman is attracted to a man, she will wait for his next move.